My name is Xin Yi, and today we are going to Form 4, Chapter 4, Operation on Set. This is a subtopic that covers in this chapter. First, we are going to the intersection of set. Intersection of set is using a symbol like N. For example, set P and set Q means intersection of set P and set Q. What is intersection? Intersection is contain common element of both set. This is a set P, and this is element in the set P. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can write like this. Set P equal bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is set Q. The element in the set Q is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Q equals to bracket 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we wanted to find P and Q equal to 4, 5, 6 because in the set P and set Q both have 4, 5, and 6 elements. So we write down at the middle for 4, 5, and 6. And this is the intersection for set P and set Q. How do we determine the intersection P and Q? The element for set P and set Q are the middle of here. So this is the intersection. P and Q equals to Q. Q is inside the P. So we need find the P and Q. P and Q have the same element is here. So we just check at here. Here with 3 elements, 3 sets. Is set P, set Q, and set R. We're going to find the P and R, so we just check the element for set P and set R at the same place. Is here. For this is P and Q and R. So for these 3 set, we only have one place is here. So this is the intersection for P and Q and R. Exercise. It is given that the universal set x is an integer 1 until x, set P x is an odd number, set Q x is a prime number, and set R x is a multiple of 3. A. List all the elements of the following intersection of set. First, P and Q. P is an odd number, so we get 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For Q is a prime number, so we get the 2, 3, 5, and 7. In set P and set Q, we get a 3, 5, 7 is the same common elements. So P and Q equal to bracket 3, 5, and 7. Next, P and Q and R. For set P, we get 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For set Q, we get 2, 3, 5, and 7. For set R is the multiple of 3. So we get 3, 6, and 9. For these 3 sets, set P, set Q, and set R, the common element is 3. So for set P and set Q and set R equals bracket 3. B. Set the number of elements on the following set. First, N, P, and Q bracket. P and Q, the common element is 3, 5, and 7. So N bracket P and Q equal to 3 because they have 3 elements. Next, N, set P and set Q and set R. Set P and set Q and set R, the same element, the common element is 3. So N, set P, set Q, and set R equals to 1. Exercise 2. A total of 140 from 5 papers are given the opportunity to attend the intensive classes for history and Bahasa Melayu subject. 65 people choose Bahasa Melayu, 70 people choose history, while 50 people choose both Bahasa Melayu and history. Calculate. A. The total number of pupils who attend the intensive classes. B. The total number of pupils who do not attend any intensive classes. Now we're going to list all the pupils who attend the Bahasa Melayu, history, and Bahasa Melayu and history boards. For Bahasa Melayu, have 65 people, history have 70, Bahasa Melayu have and history have 50. We are going to write down. First, we are going to do the who taken the board subject. 50 is the 50 we write down at the here at the middle for set Bahasa Melayu and history. And this is the intersection who taken board. Now we're going to do Bahasa Melayu. Bahasa Melayu have 65 people, but have 50 people take the board subject. So we need to minus 65 minus 50 and we give 15. 15 is the who only taken Bahasa Melayu. So we write it here. For history, we have 70 people, but we have 50 people take board. So we also need to minus 50. 70 minus 50 and we get 20. For this 20 papers is who only taken history. The total number of papers who attend the intensive classes. So we need to plus these three elements. So it's 50 plus 50 and 20 is equal to 85. So the 85 people is who attend the intensive classes. And for the total number of people who do not attend any intensive classes, because we have 140 people, but we only have 85 people who attends Bahasa Melayu, history, and board subject. So we take 140 minus 85 and we get 55. And the 55 we write outside the Venn diagram. Next is union of set. Union of sets is using the symbol like a U. For example, set P, U, set Q. Means union of set P and set Q. What is the union? Contain all elements of board set. This is set P and the element have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And set Q, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we can write like this. Set P equals bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And set Q equals bracket 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we are going to find P, U, Q. That means we wanted all the elements of set P and set Q. And we draw like this. And P, U, Q equals to bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Because these two sets both have 4, 5 and 6. So 4, 5 and 6 we write at the middle, and this is the intersection. Because it's P, U, Q, so we shade all the element, shade all the set P and set Q. How do we determine the union? P, U, Q. P, U, Q means all set P element and all set Q element. So we just shade all the elements. P, U, Q. The Q is inside the P, so it is same meaning with this. So we just shade all the elements for set P and set Q. This is Q, U, R. So we just shade all the elements set Q and set R. For the set P, we just include it. This is set P, U, set Q, U, set R. So we just check all the set elements for P, Q, and R. Exercise 1. It is given that set P equal to factor of 24. Set Q multiples of 3 which are less than 20, and set R multiples of 4 which are less than 20. A. List all the elements of the following union of sets. First, PUQ. P is a factor of 24, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Set Q is multiples of 3 which are less than 20, so we get the 3, 6, 9, 12, 50, and 18. So we just PUQ equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 50, 18, and 24. We just combine all the set elements of set P and set Q. Next, set P, U, set Q, and U set R. P is the element. P we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Q we get 3, 6, 9, 12, 50, 18. For R is multiples of 4 which are less than 20. So we get 4, 8, 12, 16. So we just combine all the elements for set P, set Q, and set R. So we get P, U, Q, U, R equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 50, 16, 18, and 24. For D, draw a Venn diagram to represent set P, Q, and R, and shade the regions that represent the following union of set. For set P, U, set Q, U, set R. For set P, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Q have 3, 6, 9, 12, 50, and 80. R we have 4, 8, 12, and 60. For set P and set Q, we have the same element are 3, 6, and 12. So we write down the 3, 6, and 12. For the 12 is 3 is the for 12 this 3 set have the both same element. So for the 12 we're going to write down here, and 3, 6 for set P and set Q we write it here. For the other 1, 2, 24 we write at the set P. 9, 50, 80 we write at the set Q, and for set R for 60 we write it here. Exercise 2. A total of 26 pupils participate in the scouting program at the riverbank. The activity of the program are kayaking and fishing. 80 pupils participate in kayaking and 50 pupils participate in fishing, while 9 pupils participate in both kayaking and fishing. What is the total number of pupils who participate in the activity of the program? For set A is kayaking, set B is fishing. So we list down all the people who participate the scouting program. Total number of people is 26. Kayaking have 80 people participate. Fishing have 15 people participate. And kayaking and fishing have 9 people participants both. First, we write down the kayaking and the fishing 9 at the middle, and this is it. This is the intersection. For kayaking A, set A, we take 18 minus 9. Because 9 is the who taking both scouting program. So we got 9, and the 9 we write down at the set A. For fishing, we got 50 people participate fishing, so we also minus 9 and we get 6. And we have 6 people only participate for fishing. The total number of puppies who participate in the activity of the program is 24. We just take 9 plus 9 and 6. We take all the set A and set B, and we get 24. And who does not participate in any activity is 2, because we have total of people is 26, but we only have 24 people participate in the activity of the program. So have other 2 we write down outside of the Venn diagram here. Next is combine operation on set. Combine operation on set is using symbol N intersection and symbol U union. How to check the region of set involving intersection and union? Example 1. Check the region for bracket P, U, Q, and R. First, we're doing the bracket first. P, U, Q. P, we check the all element of set P and all element of the set Q is here. For R, we just check the R. So now we combine it, P, U, Q, and R. We just find what are the elements, what is the place are same with the R. Is these 3. Next, check the region of bracket P and Q, U, Q, and R. So we do the P and Q. P and Q, we just find the place what is set P and set Q is same. So here is the intersection. It's the common element for set P and set Q. For set Q and set R, the common element is here. So here is the intersection for Q and R. Now we combine it for P and Q, U, Q, and R. So we just take the P and Q and R, the shape place is here, 3. Combine operation of set. We have intersection, union, and complement. How to check the region of set involving complement? Example 1. Check the region for bracket P, U, Q complement. First, we do the P, U, Q. We take all the element of P and all the element of Q. And P, U, Q complement. Complement means all the element except P, U, Q. So we just check the outside of the set P and set Q. Example 2. Check the region for bracket Q and R complement and P. We do the Q and R complement first. Do the bracket first. So Q and R the same common element is here. So Q and R complement is expect the Q and R. So we just check all outside the Q and R common element. And P will just check the P. And now we combine it, Q and R complement and P. So we just choose the same place. That's shaded. So it's here. Next is extra question. First, given the universal set X is 11 until 21. X is an integer, and set R, X is a number such that the sum of its 2 digits is an even number. Find R complement. So the universal set is 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 20. For the set R is 11, 30, 50, 70, 19, and 20. The sum of its 2 digit is an even number, like 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, and it is an even number. So R complement is expect this set R. So the answer is 12, 40, 60, and 18. Second, the Venn diagram below shows the set P, Q, and R such that the universal set P, U, Q, U, R. On separated diagram, check the P complement and Q. P complement is here and have Q and Q is here, but we need the P complement and Q is the same common element, so it's here. 3. The Venn diagram in diagram 1 show the set S, set Y, and set Z. The universal set X, U, Y, U, Z. This is a diagram, and set the relationship is presented by the shaded region between set X, set Y, and set Z. Here is the intersection for set X and set Y. So we write bracket X and Y, and here is the set Z. So we just write it Z because he shared all the elements. So the answer is bracket X and Y U Z. 4. The Venn diagram in the answer set show set P, set Q, and set R such that the universal set equal P, U, Q, U, R. A. P complement. P complement is aspect P, so we check the Q and R. For B, P, bracket P and Q, U, R. We do the P and Q first, the bracket first. The P and Q, the common element is here, so we just check this, and R and U, R is all the set R, so we check this. 5. The table on the left below shows the data obtained from a survey of 120 television viewers. The diagram on the right is the Venn diagram that represents part of the information shown in the table. We need to find the number of viewers who watch sport on news and also entertainment program. Here is the programmers watch. Have entertainment, sport and entertainment only, news and entertainment only, news only, and sport only. And here is the number of viewers. Let the number of viewers who watch sport and entertainment and also news program be X. So for the 90 and 60 and 30 is the question already give. So we're going to do the entertainment first. Entertainment, we have 70 number of viewers. So we take 70 minus 13 and 16 and we get the 41. Because we already let the entertainment to be X, so 40Y minus X. And for sport only have 21, so here we write the 21. And who watch sport and entertainment and also news programs is X, so it's right down here. So for sport we have 64, so we take 64 minus 21 and 16 and we get 27. Because we already let the number to be X, so it's 27 minus X. So the total number of viewers is 120. So we just take all the elements and plus it. So it's 19 plus 27 minus X plus 30 plus X plus 21 plus 16 plus 41 minus X. So we get 137 minus X equal to 120. So X is 17. Here's the number of viewers who watches sport or news and also entertainment programmers. So we just take these three place. So it's 60 plus 17 plus 13 is 46.